Did you know that over 80% of people never achieve their financial goals? What if I told you there's a new tool that could help you beat those odds and manifest wealth faster than ever before? Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the Billionaire Brainwave Program, a revolutionary tool designed to help you manifest wealth quickly. If you've ever felt stuck or frustrated with your finances, this video is for you. Let's set the stage for transforming your financial future. Presentation of problem/challenge. So, let's talk about the elephant in the room, financial struggles. We all know that achieving financial success can feel like climbing a mountain. Many people face the same challenges: debt, lack of savings, or just not knowing where to start. Traditional methods like budgeting and saving can sometimes feel slow and tedious. You might be wondering, why can't I just attract money effortlessly? Well, it turns out, a lot of us are stuck in a mindset that doesn't align with abundance. It's not just about working harder, it's about thinking differently. And that's where most of us hit a wall. Exploration/development. Now, let's get into the meat of the Billionaire Brainwave Program. This innovative program uses brainwave entrainment to help you tap into a state of abundance. But what exactly is brainwave entrainment? Well, it's a technique that uses sound frequencies to synchronize your brainwaves, putting you into a mental state that's optimal for attracting wealth. The science behind it is fascinating. When you listen to specific frequencies, your brain can shift into a state of relaxation or heightened focus, which can help you overcome limiting beliefs about money. Imagine being able to rewire your brain to think like a billionaire. That's the promise of this program, and it's designed to help you align your mindset with your financial goals. Climax/key moment. Let me share a powerful testimonial that really illustrates this. One user, Sarah, was struggling to make ends meet. She had tried everything: budgeting, side hustles, you name it. After starting the Billionaire Brainwave Program, she experienced a dramatic transformation. In just a few weeks, she not only increased her income but also found opportunities she never thought possible. Sarah went from worrying about bills to thriving financially. Her story is just one of many, showing that this program can truly make a difference in people's lives. Conclusion/summary. So, to wrap it up, the Billionaire Brainwave Program could be the game changer you've been looking for. We've discussed the common challenges in achieving financial success and explored how this innovative tool works to help shift your mindset. By aligning your brainwaves with abundance, you could unlock new financial opportunities and achieve your goals faster than you ever thought possible. Call to action, CTA. I want to hear from you. What do you think about the Billionaire Brainwave Program? Have you tried any techniques for manifesting wealth? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe for more content like this. Don't forget to check out our video on other wealth manifestation techniques to expand your knowledge. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.